Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by composing the exact message you will reuse, include subject, signature, and attachments. Once composed, choose File Save As and pick Outlook template, Oft on desktop, in Outlook on the web, open My Templates and click Plus New. Save with a clear name so you can find it later. Use short, consistent naming like Monthly Report Template. Make sure to test send to yourself. That confirms placeholders and attachments are included before you rely on it. Once saved, open the template when you need it and immediately personalize those placeholders, names, dates, and numbers, so recipients get a contextual message. If you use quick parts, insert reusable blocks for greetings or legal disclaimers. This speeds edits. Make sure to update attachments rather than leaving old files. Attachments are not auto-replaced. If you need automation, combine templates with quick steps for one-click sending. Also, always confirm the To and CC fields before sending to avoid accidental replies. Finish by integrating templates into your workflow. Create quick steps to apply a template, add recipients, and send in one action. Once done, export. Oft files to share templates with teammates or copy them to another computer. Place them in the correct templates folder. If a template disappears, make sure the Oft file path is correct and the My Templates add-in is enabled. Sometimes updates disable it. As a final tip, if dynamic fields fail, rebuild that template and retest with a draft send to yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.